What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 4K TVs in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Budget-conscious consumers who don't want to sacrifice quality should turn to the Hisense U8K as their go-to choice for an affordable 4K TV. U8K stands out by delivering excellent picture quality that rivals pricier models from more prominent brands, and its 55-inch display is particularly well suited for smaller spaces, edging out competitors like TCL. What makes the U8K exceptional is its adoption of mini LED technology, which is typically found in more expensive TVs. This technology allows the U8K to produce bright, vivid images without breaking the bank, a feature often absent in models offered by giants such as Samsung or Sony. Moreover, the U8K boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, enhancing motion clarity and providing a smoother viewing experience than many 60Hz TVs. In addition to superior motion handling, the U8K utilizes quantum dots to boost color performance, elevating it above TVs that lack this feature. It supports the industry standard Dolby Vision and HDR10 high dynamic range formats, an offering that's becoming rarer as Samsung moves away from these technologies. Innovatively, the U8K integrates Dolby Vision IQ, which employs an ambient light sensor to fine-tune the picture based on room lighting conditions. Hisense enhances this with its proprietary OLED technology, which amps up color, contrast, brightness, and motion. The mini LED backlighting is a game changer, with smaller LEDs allowing for a brighter, more evenly lit screen. Another technological perk is smooth motion, designed to eliminate the noise that can mar fast-moving scenes. With a native 144Hz refresh rate, the U8K's impressive 480 motion rate ensures that even the quickest action sequences remain crisp and clear. But the U8K doesn't just excel in visual performance, it also delivers on sound. A robust audio system comprised of 50-watt total power and 5 speakers, including overhead rear options and a built-in subwoofer, means the U8K's auditory experience matches its visual prowess. Gamers haven't been overlooked either. The U8K's Game Mode Pro packs in advanced gaming technologies, including HDMI 2.1 inputs that optimize settings for fluid gameplay. Features like automatic low latency mode, ALLM, 144Hz variable refresh rate, VRR, and FreeSync Premium Pro work together to minimize input lag and prevent screen tearing and stuttering, making the U8K a versatile choice for both cinephiles and gamers looking for quality on a budget. Thumbs up. TCL QM8 QLED stands out as the top value option in 2024. This 65-inch gem from TCL is designed to go head-to-head with the high-end market leaders and comes equipped with impressive specs to prove its merit. The display features radiant HDR brightness, a mini LED backlight that provides outstanding contrast, and a high refresh rate panel that's enriched with quantum dots for rich, vibrant color reproduction. The QM8 doesn't just impress with its visual capabilities, it's also packed with gaming features and sports an efficient Google TV smart interface, all at an attractive price point. The inclusion of Dolby Vision, Atmos sound, and a 120Hz refresh rate ensures that both movies and games are experienced at peak performance without breaking the bank. TCL has continued the use of the same remote control design found in their more compact TCL K7 QLED TV. It may be on the larger side, but its backlit buttons and far-brushed metal finish lend it a touch of class. When it comes to a TV's overall performance, seasoned experts will note that image processing is just as critical as the hardware. In this regard, the QM8's third-generation AI-PK processing engine, which shares its lineage with the formidable K7 model, excels at delivering superior picture quality across various types of content. The TV's robust quantum dot colors and sophisticated mini LED backlighting, which includes over 1,000 local dimming zones, contribute to its ability to provide exceptional contrast and eye-catching brightness, rivaling the industry leaders. TCL boasts that the QM8 can achieve a peak brightness of about 2,000 nits in HDR mode, with some tests suggesting even higher levels. Crucially, the QM8 also shines brightly in SDR, standard dynamic range viewing, preserving shadow details even in well-lit environments without needing to fiddle with the black level settings. Black levels are on par with those of the Hisense U8K and surpassing those seen on pricier models. Good stuff. Venturing into the world of high-definition entertainment, Samsung's latest marvel, the QN95C QLED, stands as the pinnacle of 4K QLED technology in 2024. This television has taken a significant leap forward, doubling the number of local dimming zones compared to its predecessor, which allows for unparalleled dark scene management that rivals the capabilities of OLED displays. The QN95C, a paragon among LCD TVs, showcases blacks so deep they resemble the void of space, once thought to be exclusive to self-emissive screen technologies. The substantial increase in dimming zones ensures that these profound blacks remain uniform and devoid of clouding, even when bright spots challenge the scene. Not only does this advancement maintain the intrinsic vibrancy and luminance LCDs are celebrated for, but it also enhances performance in various lighting conditions, shining brightly in well-lit spaces while providing an immersive experience during darker viewing sessions. One must not overlook the gaming prowess of the QN95C, which alongside its acoustic advancements confirms that mini-LED technology continues to access realms other TVs cannot. By doubling the number of dimming zones, scaling from 720 to an impressive 1344, Samsung has achieved a generational leap in picture quality. This innovation, coupled with the enhanced Neural Quantum 4K processor and the reintroduction of Samsung's Shape Adaptive Light technology, ensures each dimming zone integrates seamlessly with its surroundings. Brightness is another aspect where the QN95C excels, achieving over 2,000 nits in HDR on a 10% widescreen test pattern, and maintaining a luminous 805 nits across a full screen of bright HDR imagery. Beyond visuals, the processor significantly boosts the efficacy of Samsung's Object Tracking Sound System (OTS), utilizing a 70-watt 4.2.2 channel speaker array that places sounds precisely, creating an auditory experience that follows the on-screen action perfectly. This model exhibits superior local contrast, more uniform colors, and substantially reduces the likelihood of backlight blooming compared to earlier Samsung Mini LED iterations. The QN95C also reveals noticeable improvements in audio delivery. Without overt changes in its sound design, it manages to expand the scale and cohesion of its soundstage, offering an enveloping audio experience that complements its OTS technology. Highly recommended. Introducing the Sony A95L, a strong contender for the best 4K TV of 2024 and our second best pick. The A95L embodies everything you could want in a modern television: powerful audio, an ultra-slim build, and arguably one of the most stunning visual performances to grace the screen. Borrowing from the advancements seen in Samsung's second-gen QD OLED, the S95C, Sony propels the industry forward with the A95L. Thanks to the heightened brightness and the prowess of its cognitive processor XR, this TV sets a new benchmark in clarity, contrast, color fidelity, and lifelike imagery. The price might be steep, but it's an investment that pays dividends on pure visual bliss. Utilizing Google TV as its foundational software, the A95L's user interface achieves a balance of simplicity and sophistication that rivals that of Roku. Regular users of Google TV will find the transition seamless, with their favorite streaming services and settings readily accessible. This tech wonder embraces features such as Google Cast, AirPlay 2, and hands-free control with Google Assistant, either through the voice-enabled remote or the inbuilt microphone. Privacy ensured by a physical off switch. Navigating Sony's array of picture settings might initially seem daunting, yet the beauty of a flagship OLED like the A95L is its minimal need for tweaking to achieve awe-inspiring results. Its back panel, crafted from robust plastic, may appear modest next to competitors like LG's C3 OLED, yet its solid construction assures safe handling. Notably, the A95L's optional Bravia camera elevates the functionality, adapting visuals to room lighting and introducing interactive capabilities such as gesture controls and safety features to protect inquisitive children. Visually, the Sony A95L delivers all the profound contrasts and lush colors expected from an OLED, each pixel able to plunge into darkness independently, demonstrating its prowess with content like Netflix's Our Planet. The TV's performance is nothing short of spectacular. For enthusiasts seeking Offering the creme de la creme of image quality, the Sony A95L is a formidable choice. Both cinephiles and visual connoisseurs will find their expectations surpassed. The Sony A95L isn't merely a TV, it's a celebration of peak performance in visual technology. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Introducing the LG C3 OLED, the crowning jewel of 4K televisions in 2024. With its remarkable contrast and intricate shadow details, this TV stands out as a pinnacle of visual technology. The C3 radiates with deep, authentic colors, enhanced brightness, and a dynamic HDR experience. Its anti-reflective screen and superior motion handling elevate it above competitors, encapsulating the essence of an ideal viewing experience. Building on the success of its predecessor, the LG C2, the C3 advances with LG's state-of-the-art EVO panel technology, achieving luminosity that eclipses previous OLED models. The result is a mesmerizing HDR glow, impeccable contrast, and nuanced shadows, accompanied by lush, true-to-life colors, a combination that effortlessly won our affection. The usability factor of the LG C3 is second to none, merging cutting-edge gaming capabilities with comprehensive home theater features, resulting in an unrivaled entertainment nexus. Dedicated gamers will revel in the 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, enabling 4K at a smooth 120Hz, alongside gamer-centric features like VRR and ALLM for seamless play on next-gen consoles. Adding to its appeal, an integrated game optimizer and hub provide instant adjustments and access to cloud gaming platforms such as Amazon Luna and GeForce Now. The design of the LG C3 OLED is nothing short of spectacular, a synthesis of sophistication and artistry. Its display quality, sculpted with meticulous precision, extracts the finest details from all content. OLED's signature perfect blacks and profound contrast ratios are on full display, solidifying LG's status as a leader in the domain of video enthusiasts. Whether it's cinematic epics or fast-moving sports, the C3's motion handling remains flawless, thanks to settings like cinematic movement. While the S90C by Samsung may excel in brightness and gaming features, and the previous year's C2 might offer savings, the LG C3 OLED's combination of aesthetic finesse and technological prowess render it a standout choice for anyone seeking the ultimate in television excellence. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best 4K TVs in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.